multiply with me. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Hit the like button and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post new videos. Table 7. 7 times 1 equals 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 times 4 equals 28. 7 times 5 equals 35. 7 times 6 equals 42. 7 times 7 equals 49. 7 times 8 equals 56. 7 times 9 equals 63. 7 times 10 equals 70. Thank you, and may God bless you.